Introducing James Grove, a premier townhome community in the sought-after area of West Cary, conveniently located just outside Research Triangle Park, with close proximity to I-540 and Highway 55. Only a 1-minute drive to Parkside Town Commons, a lifestyle center with over 60 retailers, a variety of restaurants and eateries. Explore nature as you walk, run, or ride on the adjacent Nancy Branch Greenway Trail. Served by nearby top-rated schools, including Panther Creek High School, one of the highest-ranked schools in Wake County. Discover the stylish feel of this modern new townhome community featuring 2- and 3-story designs. All homes include a first-level guest suite, 2-car garage, and the most popular interior finishes. Brought to you by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Lennar at James Grove. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.